Hello students, I hope you all will be fine. Today we will continue our third chapter, first exercise 3A, okay, in which we have done question number 1 to 5, question number 1 to 4 you have done in the book, question number 5 you have done in your notebook. Now we will start with the question number 6, okay. In the question number 6, what is the statement? Statement is write in words using Indian system of numeration. Means we have to write the given numbers in the words by using the Indian system of numeration. We have done both the system, Indian system and the international system of numeration. So in the Indian system, what we are using in our Indian place value system, ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, like that. Yes, lakhs, crores. And in the international system of numeration, we are using the millions, billions. Okay. So first of all, how to write this number in the words. Okay. Before writing, if commas are not given in your number, please put the commas whether it is given in the statement or not. Okay, so by putting the commas it will be easy to read. Okay, so in the Indian system of numeration we are putting commas. First in the ones period we are taking 3 digits, then 2. Okay, so similarly here in the ones we are taking 3 digits, then 2, then 2. Yes, here first 3, then 2, then 2. Okay, now we can read this easily. How? This is our ones period, this is our thousands period. So what will be this? 59,000, or another way you can write here ones, tens, hundred, thousand and 10,000. I think it's not visible to you, but write these places at the above of each digit. So this is 59,000. So here we will write 59,000. Okay, after that 843. These two we will read it together. 800, because place of 8 is 100. So 800 843. 843. Okay, this is our answer for the question number 6A part. Now the question number 6G part. Okay, this is our ones period. So ones, tens, hundred, thousands. Yes, this is our 1,000 and 10,000. This is lakh period, lakh and 10 lakh. This is crore. So what is 5 crore? We will write here 5 crore 72 lakh 35,000 okay, 400 471. Okay, now the third one. Here is, this is ones period, this is thousands, lakhs and crores. So write that ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore, 10 crore. So 50 crore. This is our first letter should be capital. So 50 crore 7. There is 2 digit but 07. So we will write 7 lakh here. 7 lakh. Okay. After that 8,000. 8 1000. After that there is below the 100 there is 0, so we will not mention that. So there is no 100, so we will write 90. We will write 90. Okay, we will write here 50 crore 7 lakh 8,090. Okay, so this is the question number 6. 3 parts I have done, remaining you will do. Okay, now the question number 7. Write the new number names using International System of Numeration. Number names means also you have to write it like this. Okay, so first of all we will put the commas according to International System of Numeration. So in that we are taking 3 3 3 these 3. First this, then this and here. Okay, this is so. And before writing, write the places, write the places of each digit. So this is our ones, tens, 100. This is our 1000, 10,000, and 4 is 100,000. Yes. So how we will write this? We will write this 437. We will write this 437. Which period is this? This is thousands. 437 thousands and 9 and 941. Okay, next is this. Here is, this is our ones period. Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, 100,000. After that will be million, 10 million. Okay, so here is 57 millions. Okay, here we will write 57 millions, 57 million 235,000. Read this together. 235,000. 235,000. Okay, next is 4 and 400 in the last. Before writing the last period, I am using here and 471 and 471. 471. Done. Next is J part. Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000. This is 100,000. Here is million, 10 million, and this one is 100 million, and the 6 is billion. Okay, 6 is billion. Okay, now so what is this number? This is 6 billion. Here we will write 6 billion. Okay, 175 millions, 175 millions. Okay, after that this is thousands period. 345,000. 345,000. Okay, thousands. After that, and 149 and 149. Okay, so this is done. Before writing in words, you will write the places on the above of given number, means ones tens. After that it will be very easy to read. Okay, so first you will write their places with the help of pencil only. Okay, and this question number 6 and 7 you have to do in your notebook. Okay, now we will do question number 8. Next, question number 8. Rewrite the numbers with commas separating the periods using first Indian and then international system of numeration. Means in the question number 8 only we have to put the commas according to both the system. First according to Indian system, then international system of numeration. So how you will do this question in your notebook? Okay, so first you will write, you will make a table for this, and in that table first you will write here you will write that statements. Now first column you will write here according to Indian system of numeration. Okay, after that you will write the according to international system of numeration. According to international system of numeration. Okay, after that you will write each and every part like A, B, C. I have taken first 3. Okay, remaining you will do. Okay, so we have to just put the commas according to Indian system. Okay, first according to Indian system. So this is what will be the where will we first write the number as it is 5 1 2 3 5 6. Okay, so this is our number according to Indian system. In the first period we are taking 3 digits, then 2 and then 2. Okay, so commas will be like this. Here I write the B part 4 3 2 3 5 7. Similarly 3 and then 2 and then 2. Here 13 54 6 0 3. In the 3 like this. Okay, so you will put the commas like this. According to international system, number will be the same. Yes, 5 1 2 3 5 6. Next is 43 23 and then 57. And next is 13 54 603. In the international system of numeration, in each and every period we are taking the 3 digits. We are taking 3 digits. So first count the 3 digits 1 2 3 comma 1 2 3. No need to put comma in the first. Okay, so now 1 2 3. Okay, 1 3 and then 3. Okay, so like this you will do remaining by your own. Question number 9. Write 4 consecutive numbers that comes after. What do you mean by this word consecutive? Consecutive means next to the given numbers. Maybe that is comes after or comes before. Consecutive means लगातार. Okay, means comes after means जो बाद में उसकी continuity में है, जो just उसके बाद में आए हैं. If here is comes before, that means जो से just पहले numbers आए हैं. So consecutive means लगातार numbers that are coming. So first number is this is C part and E part. We have to write 4 consecutives. Okay, so what will be the next? Comes after means we will add 1 जो इसके बाद में आएगा. comes after. So what will come after? 79. So first read this number 79,697. So after this 79,698. Okay, 698. After this 79,000. I'm putting here semicolon so that we can separate these numbers. Okay, so this number is 1. After this 99 will be there. 699 semicolon. Now next number will be after 99 100 will come. That means we will add 1 in these 3 digits. So this is 699. After this what will come? 700. So that is 79,700. Okay, we have written 1 2 3. Now we will write the fourth one. That will be 79,701. Okay, so these are the consecutive numbers. Now here 29, 73. There is 499. If you will add 1 in the 99, that will be 100. So this is 499 at that. So it will be 500. It will be 500. Okay. So next one very easy. You have to just add 111. So this is 29,73,501. Next is I'm putting commas here, so you can understand this. These are separate numbers. Next is 29,73,502. Next will be 503. Okay. So put here semicolons. 29, 73 and 503. Okay. Now here there is given 00. There is given 00. There is problem in the commas. I think one digit is missing. Wait. Here is 30. Here is 30. Okay. So this is commas. There is 30. So we have to add first 1, then 1, then 1. Okay. So what will be the next? That will be 66 crore 3,95,001. Okay. So write that number. 001 semicolon. Next will be 2, 3 and 4 like this. Okay. So next will be 66 crore 3,95,002 means 95,002. So what will be next? Please do this all the sums. (003) and next will be after that 66 crore 3,95,004. Okay, this is your last one. So you have to write only 4. Okay. Now after this, next question is about the predecessor and the successor. We have already done that in the previous videos. How to find out the predecessor and how to find out the successor. Okay. So predecessor means preceding numbers. Preceding means just before. Okay. And successor means next number. Means just comes after that number. Okay. So I'm not taking this statement from your sum. I'm just writing any statement here. Suppose we are having 5,502 and 13,498. 498. Okay. These two numbers we are having. If we have to find out their predecessor and the successor, what is the predecessor? Predecessor means preceding numbers. You have to do -1 in the predecessor. In the predecessor, what you have to do? You have to do -1. Okay. And in the successor, you have to do +1. Okay. Or you can understand this by successor means when you will get the success, when you will take the steps ahead means आगे बढ़ोगे. So that means we have to do plus. Predecessor means पहले वाला. Predecessor. So that means -1. Okay. So here what will be the what will be the predecessor of this number? Predecessor 5502 minus 1. That will be 1, 0, 5 and 5. Okay. What will be the predecessor of this number? Predecessor of this number will be 13,498 minus 1, 7, 9, 4 and this is 30. So this will be the predecessor. Okay. Now successor. What will be the successor of this number? Successor will be, we have to just add 1. Yes. 0 2 plus 1. So it will be 5,503. And what will be the successor of this? Here is 98. Only last 2 or 3 digit will be factored. Okay. So here will be 98. So only last digit will be factored 8 to 9. So 13,499. So I'm writing here. Please do all these sums by your own. Okay. This is our 13,498. So what you have to do? Plus 1. Do that. 994. This. Suppose you have to find out. Now the successor of this number. Successor of this number means we have to add 1 in that. So what will be the successor of this number? We will add 1 here. That will be 0, 0 and 5. Okay. So what will be that? 13,500. Okay, students, do all this on by your own. Complete this exercise. Thank you.